From construction projects to software development, successful projects rely on proper planning and scheduling. Without a clear process, even small delays can affect the entire project timeline. That's where the critical path method comes in. In this video, we'll explain CPM in simple terms and show how it helps teams manage projects more effectively. Why understanding the critical path method matters. Project delays often happen when teams do not know which tasks need the most attention. That's where the critical path method becomes valuable, helping teams focus on tasks that directly affect project completion. This makes it easier to plan schedules, manage resources, avoid delays, and keep projects moving in the right direction. Let's break it down step by step. 1. What is the critical path method? The critical path method, also known as CPM, is a project management technique used to plan and schedule project activities effectively. It helps teams identify the sequence of tasks that directly affect the overall project completion time. These tasks are called the critical path because even a small delay in them can delay the entire project. By using CPM, project managers can understand task dependencies, manage timelines more efficiently, and keep projects on track. 2. How does the critical path method work? The critical path method works by breaking a project into smaller tasks and arranging them in the correct order. Each task is assigned a duration and linked to other related tasks. Project managers then identify which tasks must happen before others can begin. Once all tasks and timelines are mapped out, the longest sequence of dependent tasks becomes the critical path. This process helps teams focus on activities that directly impact the project deadline. 3. Benefits of using the critical path method. The critical path method offers several advantages for project management, including improved time management by identifying the most important tasks early in the project, better resource planning, helping organizations allocate people, budgets, and tools more effectively. Reduced project risks by allowing teams to identify delays and take corrective action quickly. Better project visibility and control throughout the project lifecycle. Wider usability across industries such as construction, engineering, IT, manufacturing, and business operations. 4. Key components of the critical path method. To manage projects successfully, the critical path method focuses on several key components, including activities and tasks involved in completing the project, estimated durations for each task, task dependencies that determine the correct sequence of activities, milestones used to track project progress, project timelines that help teams stay on schedule. Together, these components help organizations manage projects with better accuracy and efficiency. 5. Why is the critical path important? The critical path is important because it identifies the tasks that directly affect the overall project completion date. By monitoring these tasks closely, project managers can improve decision-making and maintain project efficiency. This visibility helps teams manage deadlines more effectively and keep projects on track. The critical path method is a powerful project management technique that helps organizations plan projects more effectively and complete tasks on time. By identifying critical activities, managing dependencies, and improving scheduling, CPM supports better project control and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more project management insights and professional learning content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.